Hi, my name is Gabriel Grimes and welcome to my cocina. Today we're going to have a great time. I'm going to show you how to make alitas de pollo. Those are buffalo wings for the people who haven't gone south. In any case, we're going to have a great time. I'm going to make them in a Instapot. So the Instapot is going to be cooking it with pressure, and that means that we're not going to have to fry the buffalo wings. And I know, buffalo wing purists are going to want to say a buffalo wing is not a buffalo wing unless it is battered and fried. But you know what? Alitas de pollo through Instapot is gonna be pretty good. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be sure to get all the videos of all the recipes I make. These are recipes and these are the foods that I've grown up with. These are the foods that my abuelita taught me, my tias use all the time. All my families enjoy all these foods, and I'm hoping that you'll take them to your kitchen as well and enjoy them as we have at my home. So welcome, and let's go and make some alitas de pollo. We're going to start off by adding our powdered ingredients for the rub. It's 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then we're going to add another teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and this is to taste, right? So if you want it a little hotter, go ahead and add more cayenne pepper. Chili powder is added as well. It's not the same as just regular chili. Then we're going to add the chicken wings into a large bowl where we're going to then add the rubbing powder. Powder. Rub it around. This is where you're going to get your hands dirty. Make sure that you wash your hands afterwards, but you want to make sure that they're coated perfectly. Bring out your Instapot and a cup and a half of water. It's very important. At least 1.5 cups. Add that to the bowl first, then grit your trivet. Throw that trivet in there at the bottom of the bowl. You'll see that it's just above the water level. Then add your chicken that you have just rubbed with the sauce, the dry ingredients. Just add all of them on there as best as you can. Turn on the Instapot, set it for 10 minutes, close the top, make sure that the valve is set to seal and not releasing, and then wait 10 minutes. Once that's done, you can go ahead and do a quick release, which means you can move that nozzle to venting and then just wait. It's about 30 seconds, and then it'll all go down. That silver button will go down. You can take off the top, and voila, the chicken wings are ready. Now, you can eat them right there as it is, but I like them a little bit more crispy, so I'm going to throw them into an oven. It's called an Instapot oven. Now, I put that in there. Set it on for broil for 400 degrees at 10 minutes. Now it's time for the sauce. That is 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to get a Chinese chili paste, which is delicious. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of that chili paste in it. And again, if you like it more spicy, add some more if you like. This is where I think is just perfect. Now I use Del Primo habanero sauce. That's available at your local HEB. And if you are not from Texas, well, I'm sorry. You'll have to find it or source it somewhere else. I'll leave a description of it on the bottom. Maybe if I'll have a link. And then as you can see, I use a highly technical way of mixing my sauce. After that, I'm going to drizzle the sauce on top of the wings. Now, the wings have only been in the oven for 5 minutes. Once I toss the wings in the sauce, I am going to place those wings back in the oven for 5 minutes. And just wait until they crisp up. You can do it even longer than 5 minutes if you like. But 5 minutes is where I did it. 5 minutes before, and then the drizzle, and then 5 minutes after. Now we use the green onions. It's just so delicious. I think they look fantastic on top of any dish, along with cilantro for a garnish. And I go ahead and start making and plating my dish. You can see the wings are looking succulent. I put a little hummus to one side, and then some cream cheese or some some heavy cheese or heavy cream on the side. Add some salt 2 or 3 pinches is all you need. And then for the topping, a good handful of the scallions. These alitas are amazing. Look at that. So we have sour cream. We have it garnished with some little green onions. They're fantastic, and they're edible. They taste really good with the sauce, and a little bit of hummus also for taste. So here we go. The taste test. So first of all, check this out. It is fall off the bone delicious. Literally falling off the bone. It is so good. And this is what you get when you get a pressure cooker meal. It is so delicious. The flavoring, the habanero sauce just jumps at you. It doesn't bite too hard. And I have a little bit of that Chinese chili powder, chili pepper paste. That is good too. You can taste the tanginess of like a little bit of vinegar that's inside of it. And with this sour cream, it's to die for. I hope you'll try my alitas de pollo next time you have family or friends over, or when you just want to get some Netflix and chill out on the couch. See you next time.